Hey family, I just made it to Home Depot and they have some cabbages out. I'm in Georgia, so you can still get 6-pack of cabbage, $5.98. That's $1 per plant pretty much. They got cabbage, they have broccoli. You see $5.98 6-pack. Cabbage, broccoli, got some curly kale. My favorite things are Greek oregano, let's see, all the collards are gone. That's okay. I don't think I need to do collards this year. Celery. Let me get some celery in the rotation. Some celery in the rotation. All right, so I'm gonna get a cart and get me some cabbage, and I'll show you guys what I get when I get home.